This is something that I recommend to keep your hips highly functional at any age. It involves having your leg outstretched, having your heel planted into the ground, and internally and externally rotating your leg. You're doing this one leg at a time and really trying to go to the end of each range. If you bring your heel in closer toward you and do the same thing, externally and internally rotating your hip, it becomes more challenging and induces more range of motion within your hip joints. Really take your time with this and only bring your heel in toward you as much as you feel you can comfortably do with the internal and external rotation of your hip. And it's fine to pause at the end of each range. Really feel the joint in that position. It doesn't look like a lot, but it's a range that we normally don't put our hips through. And our hips do have this capacity, and to have good internal and external rotation keeps the entire hip capsule healthy and therefore functional. It's when the hip capsule starts to become stiff, starts to form adhesions, scar tissue over time, where we start to lose normal hip function. And of course you want to do this on the other side as well, taking your time, really feeling internal and external rotation. You can do this even while you're seated at a chair. Once you get comfortable with this simple maneuver, you can also do what are called 90-90 hip exercises, and you can find a video on this at our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.